Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am getting ready to walk inside of Dollar Tree. I have not been here in a couple days and I'm excited to see what I might find in the store. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So I'm pretty sure there will be some aftermath from Christmas. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it is so empty. All I see is wrapping paper, empty shelves. Look at this. And I am sure that they will be replacing everything for Valentine's Day pretty soon. But this is all that is left in my store. And would you look at here, Valentine's Day candy already. Oh, these are cute. Look at these chocolates. Llama Queen. Your pineapple. That one. Let's Flamingo. Oh, these are cute. Here I see some New Year's stuff. They got the squawkers and the horns. Oh, these are different. Oh, that's kind of cool. Not the regular horn. Lots of hats. Here's some little necklaces. Oh, those are cute with the little mask on the ends. Those are cute. This one has the crowns. And then these are like dice. Little mini dice. The hats. This boa, which is cute. And a few masks. Oh, that one is pretty. You got the mini hats right here. And then behind me, here's some more hats and some plates. These are cute. The little balloon weights. The necklaces with the cups for shots in different colors, and that is it for New Year's. Oh, they're starting to bring the spring stuff back, like the little drawers in different colors. Those are cute. You could do projects with these. You can glue them together and make them, you know, make more storage for cute little embellishments or pins or whatever you want. These can all be glued together and then you can just pull the drawers out. That's a cute little project which you can do with those. Wet n Wild Mega Clear. And that's really it. They still have the LA Colors contour sticks and the highlighters. And the lip balms, but I don't see anything else new. The Firefly toothbrushes. They have lots of these. They still have some of these mirrors. These picture frames are cute. Floral moss. They're putting that out since it's getting ready to be spring soon. You guys, I couldn't help but notice these. These are really pretty. I don't remember seeing these. I don't know how to pronounce that. Amaranthus. But they look like this, and I remember seeing these at Michael's. And these are really nice fillers to put inside of your you know, when you're doing an arrangement. And look, they have white, they have yellow, and they have the purple, and they kind of fall over. Really, really pretty. So that's something new I have not seen before. Oh, this one is cute. It's shaped like a rose. They have different ones. Oh, they still have a lot of these candle holders. They have black, I see the gray ones, and some of the white ones. Oh, these are pretty. These are new. They look like blown glass. Look at that. Kind of bluish at the bottom and then like a brown color up here. They have a bunch of those. That's really pretty. It looks like crystal, but it's plastic. Look at how cute this is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are so cute, and they got a bunch of them. Oh, this looks new. These are cute. These are some memo pads. I Need Coffee by Crown Jewels, coffee notes, shape notepad. So this one says I need coffee. Then you have Life Begins After Coffee, Coffee Time, and Take Coffee With You. That one is really pretty. I like that. Let's see what's in the book section. What is this? The Best Ever Cat Book Part 2. Oh, this looks funny. Oh, okay, it's one of those books where the animal is doing everything. Look at him in that hat. That looks cute. That retailed for $12.99. Oh, what is this? The seventh. Oh, like the 17 magazine. Ultimate Guide to Guys, what he really thinks about flirting, dating, and relationships. Oh, this would be cool. If you like 17 magazine. Oh, this is a nice coloring book. Scenes from Psalms. Oh, and it has sayings right here. Oh, that's nice. That would be a nice little gift to give. Here's a few things over here. That's kind of cool. That's pretty. That one says Brave. And I see Love. Is that Brave again? Brave. And Peace. Those are really pretty. These ones I've seen before. Hope. This one was Faith with the purple glitter. And I think that's it. I still have a Garfield scratch pad. Oh, this is cute. A little sequin key charm. Oh, this one is really pretty. I like that color. So those are the only two colors I see. It looks like there was more, but they got sold. But these are really cute. Let's see, they still have these pineapple trays and the hearts, coasters. It's a little bit of everything over here. So they do have some new movies. Look at that, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs on, and that's #2 on Blu-ray. It would take me forever to go through all of this, but they have a lot of movies. Scooby-Doo, Robert De Niro. Oh, I really like this movie. This one was funny. Transformers. I kind of want to see what other Blu-rays they have. Oh, look at that. Tekken. Paper Towns, Let's Be Cops. That movie was funny. Killing Jesus, The Warrior's Way, and there's a whole lot more. Paul Blart, Baggage Claim. Okay. Lots and lots of movies. I think I'm gonna get this one. Look at these suckers. Oh my goodness. Marshmallow and gummy lollipop. This one looks like a llama wearing some shades. How funny is that? They still have some of these, the cookie ones. That's shaped like a diamond and a mermaid. And then I see this gummy marshmallow one that's squishy that looks like a unicorn. That's cute. And then also another mermaid. She's squishy. She's different than this one, but she's squishy, and that's cute too. Oh, here's some signs. These are family, and these are plastic, like a thick plastic. And this one says live. And I think I see love. So live, love, and family. Okay, look at this gift bag. How cute is that? And it comes with a bow hair clip right here. So you can give this to like a child on, or a baby shower or birthday, and then they can use this clip in their hair. How cute is that? So that's the only one I see. And then I see this one that just says peekaboo, and these are new. And then these little mini bags. Here's some of the dry shampoo. There's the Blossom and the Crisp. Those are kind of cool. You know, they still have some of these. The little Trinket Dishes. This one says Dream. I think this one says Shine Bright. The little hearts. And then these, most of them look like they're broke though. But that one said Good Vibes and Hello Gorgeous. Super cute. They're bringing back the modular shelves in black and white. Okay, they got some really cute phone cases. This one is like, it looks like wood grain. But then look at this one, the little Galaxy. That's kind of cute, and it fits an iPhone X. This one fits the iPhone 7 Plus. And there's a lot of different ones, but those are cute. And this one fits a Samsung Galaxy. Here's some more of this pillowcases. There's a lot of different patterns. There's that. This one is cute. Let's see. This one, I wonder what that is. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. And this one. Here's another flamingo. I think you just have to go through these to find different ones, but they have a lot. And as you guys can see, they still have, my store still has a bunch of this bacon cotton candy. I mean, lots of them right here. There's a whole row over here. Nobody wants that. It was really nasty. It kind of tasted like liquid smoke. So I will definitely pass on those. I will never do that again. And this is the last row of the store, and that is pretty much it. So thank you guys all for coming with me on this quick walkthrough. And I'll probably go back in a couple days. So thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.